Knights of Old Comic chycho, there's so much misinformation as it is today. How would the world be different if all info was allowed on the net, including all false accusations, childcare? See, here's the thing, you need scrutiny, right? But we don't have transparency. One of the things that WikiLeaks and Julian Assange has been promoting up the yin yang is transparency. WikiLeaks does not have the means to bring about accountability. Accountability is left to society. We have to hold power accountable. What WikiLeaks provided was transparency of power. Like, our world will look incredibly different if we had transparency and accountability of capital as power. The first thing that comes is the transparency. Julian Assange and WikiLeaks provided that transparency. It is up to society to provide the accountability. We have not stepped up to do that yet.